Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Dino Days. We're actually going to be using the complete Dinoroar suite, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Dino Days, and we're actually going to be using the whole dinosaur suite. So the coordinating thinlits, the paper, the embellishments. I don't think we're going to use the ribbon, but we might just. All right, so let's get started. We're going to be using this dinosaur and his little spikes, and you're awesome. All right, so I have a piece of pineapple punch, and I'm going to come in with my old olive. And I have the You're Rawsome on Clear Block B. So I'm just going to stamp that. And then I have my pineapple punch, and I have his little spikies here, and that's on Clear Block B as well. All right, and I have a piece of old olive, and I have the dinosaur, and I'm going to ink him up in old olive as well. All right, so just like that, and that's all the stamping we're doing today. So let me bring in my big shot. And this square is from the rectangle stitched framelits. So I should be able to do this all at once. Let me bring this back a little bit. All right, and we'll run that through. And now we can start putting this card together. All right, so my card base is Pineapple Punch, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of old olive, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the dinosaur or Dinoroar designer series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I think I am going to go ahead and use the ribbon that coordinates with it. So I'm just going to put this down with my SNAIL adhesive. And we'll center this. So just like that. And so this is the denim ribbon. Let's see. And just cut this piece here. And then I'm just going to put it on the back of the card with some regular old tape. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down as well. And we'll center this just like that. All right, so I don't think I'm going to use these after all, but I am going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Maybe put him right there, and I'm going to pop up the sentiment as well. All right, and then I'm going to come in with the Dinoroar enamel shapes. And I'm going to get my take your pick tool, and I just want to bring out the pink and reds here. So just like that, a quick and simple card to let someone know you think they're awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!